Hey everyone, so we're working on graphing today. Sorry for the banging sounds coming from downstairs. If your graphing page does not look like this one, then you can watch the other video. There are two graphing versions, worksheets in the packets for different people. So graphing, number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. So we're going to do this graph and put the number in the last column, and then we're going to answer these questions. So the first one is speaker. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 speakers. And speakers are people who are in the front of the room usually giving a speech or talking about something, maybe a presentation that they feel is important, a special topic that they're talking about. Next word is car. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 cars.
3.
Next we have city. City, there is 1.
1.
Our next one is school. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 schools.
6.
And our last word is cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 caps.
7.
All right, so let's see. Number 1 says, which word has the most symbols? The most. Oh, actually, before we do that, let me back up a little bit. Let's review this one more time. So we have 5 speakers, 3 cars, 1 city, 6 schools, and 7 caps. Number 1, which word has the most symbols? Let's see. Which one of these words, speaker, car, city, school, or cap, if we look at these symbols, has the most? So the one with the most would be cap, because we have 7 here. So we're going to put cap.
Cap.
Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? So we know cap has the most, but which one has the fewest? Is it speaker, car, city, or school? Be city.
City.
City only has 1. Number 3, what is the highest number? So if we look here, which number here is the highest? The highest number would be 7.
7.
What is the lowest number? So we know 7 is the highest, but which one here? 5, 3, 1, or 6 is the lowest? Number 1.
1.
Number 5. Do any words have the same number? Are any of these the same? Five, 3, 1, 6, 7? No.
No.
All the numbers are different. Number 6. Are there more car symbols or school symbols? So let's see. I see school has 6 and car has 3. Which one has, that would actually be, here, let me scroll up a little bit. So you can see, are there more cars or are there more schools? There are more schools. 6 is more than 3. And our last one, number 7. How many more speaker symbols are there than city symbols? So we got to scroll up a little bit. For speakers, we have 5. So we're going to put 5.
5.
And city symbols, we have 1. So we're going to put 1.
1.
And we're going to see 5 minus 1 equals 4. Let me scroll up a little bit. 4.
4.